Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp if it keeps crashing or freezing on your phone. First, the simplest fix is to close and reopen WhatsApp. Swipe it away from your recent apps, then relaunch it too. See if the problem clears. If it's still freezing, the next step is to restart your phone. A quick reboot often refreshes the system and clears temporary glitches. Another important step is to update WhatsApp. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for WhatsApp, and tap Update if you see the option. Outdated versions can cause crashes. If the issue continues, check your phone's storage space. Low storage can make apps freeze. Delete unnecessary files, photos, or apps to free up space. You should also try clearing the cache if you're on Android. Go to Settings greater than Apps, greater than WhatsApp, greater than Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Don't worry, this won't delete your chats. On iPhone, you can reinstall the app instead. Just make sure you've backed up your chats first. Go to WhatsApp greater than Settings greater than Chats. Chat backup and back everything up before reinstalling. Lastly, make sure your phone's operating system is up to date. Let's go into your device settings and install any pending software updates. By following these steps, you should be able to fix most crashing or freezing issues on WhatsApp. For more tips and tutorials just like this one, stay tuned.